Because now your best friend who love you go tell you say, come your mouth dey smell. How many times we NJ? Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Yes, welcome. If you never subscribe to this family, to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Pardon my voice. Yes, I have cracky voice. This period I have cracky voice. Yes. Let's go straight to why the reason why I did film this video today. Yes, as I just dropped my children cold on the franks, cold on the I still put on jackets, The reason why I did film this video about I dropped video about one of our sisters, Sandra reality. Then somebody come to my comment section to tell me, say, wait, I will put the comment for here or here. Now I go see am for the two sides. Yes, now go see and they read the comments now. The person name now Grace. Yes, please sis. As far as say now Grace, I believe say you be woman or you be girl or you be lady, Uh the wetin you write. You say all of you should go and sit down. We no sit down before. Now sit down, me they sit down, they do my video. You go and sit down. How many times we NJ do friendship video? Let's hear word. Let's hear word. If she help Sandra, and so what? That no people say, me una go sit down, and that one pay me. Now I put this jacket. Now this jacket you don't do to pull. You see this kind of a comment. I make a video. I not insult Sandra. I not insult anybody. I know who talk say, wait till two of them do. It good or it not good. I just talk say, I love how them quiet. How they not bring their secret or their no anything when they get for social media. That's what I talk. I say tell my sister, say, my beautiful sister Sandra, don't forget how you taste that. Don't let all those kind of set of people push you. You hear whether I insult her. I believe when we they tell and talk to them, me I still tell you, reaction video. You know me say we don't like that person. You vow say now we like that person pass you when they drop this kind of comment because now your best friend who love you go tell you say come your mouth they smell. Yes. Now who love you go tell you say come your mouth they smell. Who not love you go they clap and follow you. When you go take fall from us here, no. Do you understand? You know go no. When some bad people, we they pray, make bad people no surround our table. So that may we know what to do and what to not do. Imagine this kind of comment. Imagine you now, you they close to her. You be her bestie now. Or you they very close to her. This kind of advice you want give her. You say, wait till NJ do. Can you raise a fly? Can you help it? Some people we know the way they talk about outside people. Their own siblings, he had there to take care of them. Their own brother and sister, where there for they eat. He had there to show them how to fix. Talk of somebody when you don't know before. When you don't even relate to you. That kind of person carry and encourage her. Have second video, I go put someone short for this video. Maybe you listen to her.
Okay, fine. All right, so
I hope you don't listen to her. I go attach her. You will listen
I'll
to
try
her.
my best not to do this, but
When she break down, when she they cry,
it's too heavy.
who they there? Now NJ.
None
Who they
of my
encourage
child
her?
will go
Now
through this,
NJ.
but
Somebody like that.
I started living with him.
Friendship, brother and sister, they fight. Oh. But now
We're
ability to
growing
see
and
somebody
growing.
when
I
go
was
stand by,
getting
they
used
say,
to
no,
it.
no, 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 no. No be so. Now like this. Now you they wrong. No. Now they talk. Not be saying now they do friendship, say, quarrel no ever go. Quarrel go come. But now for your people, your lovers, to tell you, say, no, don't do her like that. Remember when this was rough. She's there with you. How many people, when you drop this kind of comment, can you boast now? Go and open. I know, say, maybe you get channel. You they wait, maybe Sandra got ready. Don't go spoil this, our sister. We like her. How she take come out, how she take start. That's what we like about her. Don't go and use all those now advice, all those now comment to try to turn her. Wait till she not be. See her mom, see her dad. They say charity begins at home. Go look your father, go look your mother. How they say they do. Look there, you know where she for come. You know the kind house when she don't let people come they talk. You know the kind house when she for they come. Other man said they don't get, but if she come out for discipline home, I put it like that. A home who get fear of God. Go look him mom. Go look his dad. Then when we see the watch, when we like her, go look her second video, be first, her second, third video. That video blacks. Now that video be the highest video for her channel. Nelo Keke, she even comment. Go look her comment. Just only her comment. He get 200 or something. If you get 100 comments or 100 view, with the time go. Talk of not just her comment. Nello comment alone on her channel. Nello comment alone on her channel. He get 200 or something. Not let person go deep. Not go people comment section. Now people like when they stress a matter. People go they make video. What did I talk? I just tell my sister, don't forget when rain they beat you, and not remember where sun for the dry you now. Remember, it can be maybe her and a brother. It can be maybe her and any sister. If I get close to her, I go tell her, no do her. Now your sister, now your brother, forgive her. Ah, now this is your best friend, now your friend though. Remember how it help you. Remember how it stand for you. He come me say now bad. He come me say we not like her, we the haters. No. I wish I insult her. You go tell me say, don't be insult. Advise her genuinely. Advise her without no insult. Talk to her without no insult. Yes, I no insult her. I just say, my sister, don't forget NJ. No matter what you big, even talk and say, NJ, the best stay up and bring her on you too. Are you for it? Now his sister, the same father, the same mother. The officer they get their differences for his house. Now ability to maintain it, to arrange it, because we know here their mother, their father, their siblings go settle there. No house, no friendship when quarrel no the day, no friendship when misunderstanding no the day, no brother and sister when misunderstanding. Now ability to settle. We like two of them to come back. For me, I like as two of them not come out on social media, start talking bad. No, they come out, maybe they throw word with parable, or maybe they even in good time. They just want to create view. YouTube is hard. You think to have a channel on YouTube, you think say easy. If it's easy, go and open your channel. Or maybe you get channel, you just go use fake account. What? I know insult her. You say even mention another person. That one I know insult. I not talk about anybody bad. I just tell her say, don't ever forget. If now I even see talk and say, I not believe say she and NJ get quarrel, because I know say if you see person, you will testify. Her mom. I remember when NJ say her mom say make she go take something. Wait till you find for that video when they hurt you, when they draw your liver echo meme. Let me on the comment section. I don't talk bad. My sister Sandra, those I get one comment. I'll see attachment. When person say you deserve love, no contact person drop your number. Those are the people I said not let people regret, because those people they are MJ, Nello, Lovax. You know, they be their NJ and Nello Lovax. Wey follow you. I say don't let people come and say, I wish I know. People drop their number. People say contact me. I see them. Now wait till I just try to let our sister know. I watch her video. Not every time they do. Sometimes I say, hey, I know Sabi right. Hey, I wish I Sabi right well. Hey, Naija Daughter, I wish I Sabi right well. I for the right. Her first video, her second video, her third video. I did check tears inside house. How can a young lady like this pass through this kind of a thing? Maybe person like you now, you don't even follow her for the beginning. Go look her humble when she starts. She still there humble. I just tell her, say, not everything you go answer. Some people, when they don't really like you, people like you, so when they look me. Because if you really like her, you will say, I don't talk anything bad. Don't ever bite hand that fed you. That's all. I know insult her. I don't talk bad about her. Now you just carry. You just write notes. Go and open your channel there. Don't sit down and talk. Advice. Let me see your advice. Let us see your advice. We not talk anything bad. You hear anything bad? No. No, no, no. You don't hear anything bad. Let's encourage this our sister. If she and NJ they get quarrel, if now for her, I know some people. I know some people feel they will help you finish. They want use you like rag. They want use you. They want let you know say that me happy. They want use. I still talking. I say I still look NJ. Person no fit do. She no fit do like that. Wait till she now friend she dey find when she don't get. Look when she break down. You dey hear NJ voice. I go put that part for you. Oh, if you hear say people they bully Sandra, you go attack, no problem. I not bully her. I still like her. I watch her video. I got to China. I watch her video back to back. Okay? I just open this channel because I see something when I want to talk. Like that time when those things they trend for so I don't be content creator, but I never get this channel. I just advise my love, my sisters, Sandra and Angie. I love how both of them say, what did they do? Can you even help your siblings? Can you even, in fact, impart any, you think say to impart life, you think say that it isn't. Now those our sisters encourage and say, come out, talk like this, your channel go blow. Some people, to see the right person to advise them, they find it difficult. Talk of what you want to make things, what you want to make life. Go and look at her beginning video. I remember the reason why I really like this, my sister, how God take transform her and how she carry her family and her first YouTube money. She said, this YouTube, say if you see my parents' parlor, I will walk. And true, this lady will walk. He still go hospital. He said, I want to pay some bill. Who do her? Not be the angel when you say, what did she do before? What did they never see? Can you do it? You just say you fit do her. I beg, what you not fit do? Me una no dey talk. Just una sabi right. Person like me una cause sabi right. Now call the thing say, my man, na man me dey o. I no try am again. I'll see you in my next video. If you like this video, I beg, give me thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. More of this video go dey come out. No drop. If you see drop another comment, I'll still come. Okay? Me I know feel right. Now love I'll give you for them. I'll still come out for you. I'll still come out. Come give you. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo. No do am again. If you get close to Sandra reality, tell her. Say people when love her, may continue to maintain it. Okay? Nobody knows tomorrow. Oh. Not going to deceive this our sister. Okay? If angel offend her, sorry. Tell her sorry. Tell me move on. May forget. May think when angel was good to her. That's all. That's all. That's all. Oh. I'll see you in my next video. This is Naija. We dey talk with PG. We talk with PG. We use conclave to cut the PG like this.